Master Moxen, Mabtetu Nyama Veluka, Ndingumadlamini, Paku Kajani, Kwesia, Sigaba Nyana Mfetan. I'm not easily intimidated, but hey, Pungan, I have a fan about Tete Pamguam. I batted. I'm not easily intimidated. But really, party, okay? Now, what I'm going to do is just to give homework to the young people. That's all. I'm I'm giving you homework. Then you'll get this next year. Mboni, difuna assignments zabantwana. I know you have got a good team of researchers here. Fully assignment. And my speech is based on what is happening in South Africa now. Funeka siye kule ndawo ifeltole Master Moxen. And singathengi buso Master Moxen. Now we are talking of decolonization here, and I'm going to talk on decolonization of religion and culture. And we are now in a country that has just been liberated from colonialism. When African culture and spirituality, it is where African culture and spirituality are still in Western scholarship. And we are still defined in foreign languages. I went to Kenya at one stage, Prof, as women theologians. We were all black, but we were divided into 3 groups. Ladies, the Anglophone here, that is English speaking. The Francophone here, the French speaking. The Lusophone here. And I said, okay, I don't fit in all these 3 groups. Where is the Kosophone? Because I don't fit in all these groups. Why are we still defined in colonial languages? Look at our passports. Parliament. Our passports, Home Affairs, they are in English and in French. Why in this period of time? This is what you must. Next one. All right. And I have that picture. I call them the spiritual subsets, those who are in between. You know, we've got Christianity, go Christians. We have got African Christians. That is a dangerous group. Because that dangerous group, on Friday, uzawuthetha mazizi, silapha ke sizothetha nani, nivumele nkomo Master Moxen, ndiyawukhala kuthiwe tabakho livumile. Aphinde kwa the very same person on Sunday. Ayothi ofila kanasabelo kwabahleliyo ithina kanti lento research kuni. Next one. Okay, the justification of indoctrination by spiritual subsets. They always say God is Christian and the only way to know him is through mastering Jewish history. If you think you're a master of the Bible, you're mastering in Jewish history without your own history. And they justify that Moses is why Moses, why Africa, and so what? They always tell us that Jesus was taken to Africa and Egypt after his birth, and so what? They say, I always say, even if he was born a Willow Vale, I don't care. I would not have been a Christian. So to me, that is not a point. And Joseph of Arimathea bazasiqala lando ayiphethe umnqamlezo kaYesu sisitaka ngelo xesha laa mntu wayephethe umnqamlezo kaYesu wayengumAfrika, and so what? So these are the questions that we must ask ourselves. Ndizakuni ke ndiyamthanda ke uKibitsho ke xa esithi the worst type of colonial enslavement is the cultural spiritual one, where the colonized is given a distorted image of himself and of his God by his oppressors. And he accepts that image and continues with it, unquestioningly despising himself, his culture, and his religion, and slavishly aping the culture of his colonizers. That is why I'm saying, in one conference, I said I'm going to form a political party for 1 year. You know, Moso President, president was political parties, bathanda ujikeleza phakathi kwethu. Babefuna sibavotele basibethembise ngayo yonke into. Ndathi mna just for 1 year I will create jobs for the young people in decolonizing the mind of an African. And then it was just an example. And what type of a job? I said, if we can collect all these Bibles from emakhaya ezihotele ezicaweni siziqokelele zonke siziphindisele kowazo and then siqale sibhalo kwethu apha then noba ndingandikhupha andinangxaki masiqamakuseni. Okay, now let's come to South Africa and tell Masize Glenda I felt on. Freedom of religion, as professed in section 16 of the Bill of Rights. We've got the best constitution. But that freedom of religion, it doesn't refer to us. It refers to the addition of Islam and Judaism and the religions of the East and Far East, or Roma Hinduism. This is what is happening now by our own people. So I tell you, $3 section 2 la Bill of Rights because it's kupela ngaphandle asitamakusheni. And in Damtanda ke nomayimela uthi what is happening now is the replacement of a white oppressor by an African oppressor. This is what is happening. Zaniki imizekelo bantwana bam. And in Mtande no Hansungule oti at independence the new African regimes run by native Africans surprisingly perpetrated the contempt imposed by Western systems on indigenous society. Instead of using the opportunity of independence to reinstate the supremacy of indigenous law over and above the Western law and society, native African rulers became even more aggressive in suppressing their own civilization. Yilonto enzekayo ku-leaders zethu namhlanje masingathengisi ngathi. Ukhona ke lo mbhali ke owenzele le poem wathi my fellow South Africans have forgotten about the past. 3 centuries of suffocation and displacement, 3 centuries of forced conversion and identity crisis. We cannot move forward without removing the stereotypes first. We can't talk of equality when there are imbalances. They are always overrepresented. South Africa is a Christian country, yet we talk of equality. We cannot pretend that we are treated equally. What does equality mean? You know, if we go back to the missionaries, they had all these, they gave us all these isms that they could find fitting. That is why they were saying, well, our religion is paganism, heathenism, animism, ancestor worship, fetishism, totemism, all the what that is why now, when we were liberated, we thought that we would be free from the spiritual cocoon. And it got look back to statistics. This is what is still happening. Would be free to represent themselves and not to be defined by other peoples of other faiths. We are being defined by abefundisi. Kuba bangcabalazile bazenza zombini. Yabona ngoku siphi thina asikho, we are in spiritual exile. We would be free from any indoctrination. And we would be allowed to be honest and not to pretend to belong to a recognized cultures and religion. And we should not justify our existence using the Christian Bible. I don't need endorsement of Paulus. And let us look at what is happening in detail. I'm giving practical examples from religion and culture. Now, what is happening now? Liberation. Look at the national songs. Africa. Enoch Sontonga writing for his church choir in the Methodist Church. And that was the song that was first sung. Reverend Reverend Boweni. South Africa is still a Christian country. It's a lie that it is a secular state. We can't have such a national anthem. Ndizoyithanda ke ngoku Bungani. Ndizoyithanda pha kule ndawo yesibini Murena Buruka. Hey, amaXhosa iquleyo indawo lana. AmaXhosa ndingumXhosa lo. Awathi uba Murena Buruka sithaba saheso. Hayi abatsho DJ Sbu. Bathi Murena Buruka sithaba sika Yesu. Bathi sithaba sika Yesu. Uyasoka ngendawo pha kodwa bayamfaka. And then, where's our songs again? You'll find that There is a song that is being made, a second national anthem, Lizalsidinga Lako Tixokosi Yenyanizo, where uJoaga utiyosoka, waya eScotland, wafika pha wafunela umfazi omlungu. And when he came back with the lady of the lake, wathi xa bona umhlaba wako wabo, ndiyabona uba wayengafuna ubuya, xa bona umhlaba wako wabo, then she started writing, Nkosi sike yo Lizalsidinga Lako ukuthi ubona izola kwethu, uxolele izono zabo. Who told him that sinezono apha? Uxelelwe ebukhweni bakhe. So these are the songs of confusion. These are the songs of confusion. The last song, uthi kumkani ungazange uye eHong Kong, uthi ungazange uye eAustralia, kodwa ndidibane nawe eNdlovuyezu usithi yo andisayikhumbula iHong Kong. IHong Kong inhle kune-Australia. That means there's something wrong in your mind. Athi umkhosi endinguye. Athi umkhosi endinguye nomuntu ondinguye. Umzi omhle kune Eden sangaye Eden. Ongangena athi ndikhumbula wona. Uyikhumbula njani indawo ungazange uye kuyo? Uyikhumbula njani indawo ungazange uye kuyo? Now I want to make this is where your homework is. During the inauguration of the state president of South Africa, it is still dictated by Europe. When you were inaugurating, President Ramaphosa, Bishop Mukhwang came with a Bible. Kaloku that kubonakalisa into yoba we are living a lie. South Africa is still a Christian country. Siphinde sibuye kwi-speeches of the politicians, you will always there see divide and rule. The church and other religious formations. Is the church not a religious formation? It is a religious formation. Why separating it from other religious formations? And the South African Broadcasting Corporation, I'm saying it is the South African Abrahamic Broadcasting Corporation of South Africa, where we are being told that we are 0.3%, and Oma Hinduism, the religions from India, Oma Islam from the Arabic countries, Oma Judaism. Where am I a majority if I'm a minority in my own country? We have got TV teachers who gospel classic, gospel God, gospel what? For what, my daughter, in our own country? The South African calendars. The South African Tongangogu, kuzawuthwa Happy Diwali, Happy Christmas, Happy Eid. To us is 26 years. Happy what? We have got members of parliament that we elect to go there to represent us. And now we have a justice system, a judiciarian bidder, where we're having the head of the judiciary who is a born again. Yes, religion should be a private affair. But once you go being a representative of other people nationally, why are you taking that to the... Just imagine seeing the whole Chief Justice, Professor, speaking in tongues in Parliament. It had to tini londo. So, and then Ati, that's the only religion and the Yazio Christianity. Dimtande uMax Mula uti, he who knows one knows none. So I guess you don't get religion. Government departments, i-government departments andifuna ngazo masamba ndifuna ikudla ixesha Ndlovuyezu ndiyaxoxa ixolo mntana enkosi ndithunywa yinto ndixoxe zilapha ndithunywa yinto. Traditional leaders, they are supposed to be custodians of African culture and spirituality, but they are custodians of Jewish culture and Jewish spirituality. They are subjects of their subjects. Because kaloku ndiyaguqa kwinkosi yam phaa elalini ndisukume okanye ndisukumele yona nayo uba ndingumfundisi umndende ecaweni yam izawuphinda ithini isukumele mna. Hayi ke ngompo isubject yomnye kwabantu babini iyabhida le nto nakoomasipala ziyaphaya zosukumela ospika kuphinde uyibuyise emntayweni enkosi zosukumela ospika inkosi ithini nakanye le nto lena ezinye zisindisiwe they are born again Christians. I think traditional leadership, if you don't fight for it, hayi buyaphela ntanga. And inkosi who calls himself ndiludodana mna. Xa inkosi ludodana ngubani indoda? Hey, that is very problematic. That is very problematic ngubani indoda. And these traditional leaders are champions of the constitutions of other countries. Ngawandingene Roma, constitution yase-Italy. Anglican Church, which is called the Church of England, yase-England. Methodist Church eLondon, Presbyterian Church eScotland, Lutheran Church eGermany, Dutch Reformed Church eNetherlands. Hayibo, basiphathele ii-constitutions ezinye indawo bathini ngale yabo. Charismatic churches hayi ke andifuna uthetha ngazo. Even African initiated churches, they are syncretic because zizawuxelela into yoba kuqala okwenyama kugqibele okomoya. Asiyazi noba ithathwa phi noloo nto le. Baphinde they misquote Matthew 5 verse 17 othi wathi ezantsama machitha masiko nzowazalisekisa, which is a lie. Wathi kubantu bakowabo, I have not come to abolish the law and the teachings of the prophets. Abantu bakwabo inyanya zakhe, I've come to fulfill them. Basikhatha. Okay, yabona ke ndihamba ixesha uVan der Kemp ubhalele London Missionary Society ngomaXhosa wathi if by religion we understand reverence of God or the external action by which that reverence is expressed, I never could perceive that they have got any religion or any idea of the existence of a God. Usuka apha emaXhoseni uyobhalela ngapha kuhamba ogqiba wathi ke sine-superstition and magic and so on and so on. That is why idala i-fight for decolonization yaqala. Ndiyamthanda uManisi when he says it all started with religion. We said we would accept God, yet this God we would accept. This Bible is pregnant with abomination. It is held by a man whose collar looks westwards. In front is turned over part of the collar. At the back is an opening where butterflies stay. And this is where the canon is lost. Kuthi uManisi athi uMqhayi kwakwakuze the Prince of Wales here wathi hayi kodwa bhilitane enkulu yeza nebhotile neBhayibhile, yeza nomfundisi eqhaga iJoni, yeza nerhulwane esinandile, yeza nenkanunu nemfakadolo. Now I'm asking you the questions now. Ngobana wena amanxila amaninzi akwi-taverns nabo yonke ndawo is us black people. Kuba kaloku kuzona la bhotile ukwenzela ukubulala ingqondo. Who are the people who are most killed in wars and criminal activities, taverns and gangsterism? Is us, black people. Is that bullet? Who are the people who are found filling the churches or big tents and who claim that they know the Bible more than the people who brought it? He says, what is happening to us? Who are the people who fill churches to capacity during Easter and Christmas, while white people are enjoying skydiving and basking in the seaside? Sithi bantu abamnyama uzobona nangongozi ezakwehla hayi mntakabawo sizayi ubethu noyana kuye le besendithethile ke ka-SABC. Uyabona njena neze holiday thina sikabi nayo happy what till to date, kodwa sinamalungu aseparlamente athi alo lathini khanijongeni landelelo ku-inauguration of a king. Nanga amadoda asingawaziyo noba azintoni kumawazo abeka izandla kwikumkani yamaXhosa. Yintoni laa nto le? Yindelelo enkulu leya, just because they still see the Western culture and its religion as superior to what we are doing. Ndiyathanda iveza ke laa nto. Tata uSungula, where did you discuss into yokuba the symbol for the grave umnqamlezo omkhulu wengcwaba likaYesu namabhada amabini? Uyafumanisa if you are being pointed kula maJuda i-graveyard cemetery soze uyibone laa minqamlezo. Uba uyakola amaMuslim soze uyibone laa minqamlezo, kodwa iyakwethu bantu abamnyama kukho laa minqamlezo mithathu, because in parliament they decide for us. Uzawukhabe nepicture kwingcwaba likaNokuzola kukhona iminqamlezo emithathu, ndingayiqophula ndingayiphula. Now coming to the closer, program director, I like Uchinweizu because Uchinweizu uthi The solution is to shift the intellectual gear from what Europe has done to us to what we are doing to ourselves. Lento siyenzayo, to what we must do for ourselves in order to get out of our condition. Ntoni masiyenze? Let us de-Christianize God. uThixo is not a Christian. And in Christianity, they must not tell lies to you. If Christianity was not there during the time of Jesus, even some years after ibhubhile, God is not a Christian. So if now we use that God is not a Christian, and siphinisela iBhayibhile kowazo, I'm sure singatsho sithethe nge-decolonization of religion and culture in our own land. Thank you.